If you're over 60 and often feel tingling in your hands, weakness in your legs, or stiffness in your joints, it's not just aging. It's your body trying to tell you something. One of the key reasons behind these symptoms is the loss of collagen, the protein that literally holds your body together. Collagen keeps your joints flexible, muscles firm, nerves healthy, and even supports blood circulation. But here's the problem. After the age of 40, your body's collagen production starts to drop by 1% every year, and after 60, the decline becomes much faster. The good news? You can fight back naturally. Today, we'll explore 7 collagen-rich foods that can help you rebuild strength, improve mobility, and say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. And let's dive into the foods that can help you feel younger, stronger, and more alive again. 1. Bone broth, the liquid gold for your joints. Bone broth isn't just soup, it's pure nourishment and healing in a cup. Often called liquid gold, this warm, soothing drink is one of the most natural ways to support your joints, muscles, and overall strength, especially after 60. When you slowly simmer animal bones, usually chicken, beef, or even fish bones for several hours, the collagen inside the bones and connective tissues breaks down into gelatin, a nutrient your body can easily absorb. This gelatin is rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine, the exact nutrients your body uses to repair cartilage, strengthen ligaments, and protect muscles from wear and tear. Research shows that drinking bone broth regularly can improve joint comfort and flexibility in as little as 6 weeks, particularly in older adults who experience stiffness or arthritis. These same amino acids also calm your nervous system, improve sleep quality, and even support digestion and gut health, helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. For seniors, just 1 warm cup of bone broth daily, preferably in the evening, can do wonders. It soothes inflammation, supports nerve health, and keeps your body hydrated and flexible, especially during colder months when joints tend to ache more. Add vegetables like carrots, garlic, or spinach for extra nutrients. Cook your rice, soups, or lentils in it for a rich, collagen-packed flavor. Simple, comforting, and incredibly powerful, bone broth truly is nature's best remedy for aging joints. 2. Gelatin, the forgotten collagen booster. If bone broth feels a little too traditional or time-consuming to make, meet its modern cousin, gelatin. You might recognize gelatin from childhood, that soft, jiggly texture in desserts or fruit jelly. But what most people don't realize is that gelatin is simply cooked collagen, and it's one of the easiest, most affordable ways to restore what your body is losing with age. When you consume gelatin, your body breaks it down into amino acids, the same building blocks your skin, joints, and muscles need to repair and stay strong. It's particularly rich in glycine, an amino acid that supports nerve function, joint repair, and restful sleep. In fact, studies show that glycine helps calm the brain and reduce stress, which is why many people who add gelatin to their diet notice better sleep and less muscle soreness. And here's something even more interesting. According to research published in the Journal of Nutrition, just 10 grams of gelatin per day, that's less than 1 tablespoon, can increase collagen production, improve joint mobility, and even reduce post-exercise discomfort in older adults. This combination, gelatin plus vitamin C, is powerful. Vitamin C activates your body's natural collagen-building process, while gelatin provides the raw material your tissues need to rebuild. And the best part? It's gentle on digestion, affordable, and you can enjoy it as a dessert or snack. So, if your knees creak, your hands tingle, or your muscles feel weak, a simple serving of gelatin a day could be one of the sweetest ways to bring strength and flexibility back into your life. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. 3. Fish, the marine collagen miracle. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful natural sources of collagen on the planet: fish. Whether it's salmon, sardines, mackerel, or tuna, fish offers something unique that other proteins can't: marine collagen. This type of collagen is made up of smaller molecules than the collagen found in land animals, meaning it's absorbed up to 1.5 times faster by your body. What does that mean for you? It means faster results, stronger joints, more elastic skin, better circulation, and sharper nerve communication. The skin and bones of the fish are where most of this collagen lives. Type 1 collagen, which is abundant in fish, is the same kind that supports your ligaments, tendons, and skin, keeping you flexible, smooth, and strong. And that's not all. Fish is also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is one of the biggest reasons behind nerve pain, tingling sensations, and that heavy, burning feeling some people get in their legs or feet. By including fish in your diet, you not only feed your body collagen but also soothe inflammation and support healthy blood flow to your nerves and muscles. One clinical study found that older adults who took marine collagen peptides daily experienced up to 35% improvement in joint flexibility and comfort after just 12 weeks. That's less than 3 months. Remember, collagen works from the inside out. With regular intake, you'll start to feel your joints moving more smoothly, your grip becoming stronger, and your legs feeling more stable and energetic. It's truly nature's marine miracle, small, simple, and yet one of the most effective ways to restore your body's strength after 60. 4. Cantaloupe, the hidden collagen activator. You might not think of cantaloupe as a collagen food, but this juicy fruit is a quiet powerhouse for healthy skin, nerves, and joints. It's loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C, two key nutrients your body needs to trigger collagen production. Together, they help your body convert amino acids like glycine and proline into firm, flexible collagen fibers. Cantaloupe also contains zeaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that protects your nerves and skin from oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind premature aging and tingling sensations in the hands and legs. Just 1 cup of cantaloupe gives you more than 100% of your daily vitamin C, making it an ideal choice for breakfast or as a midday energy boost. Try adding fresh slices to yogurt or smoothies, or blend it with a spoonful of gelatin powder for a refreshing, collagen-boosting drink. You can even enjoy it chilled as a natural dessert that nourishes your joints, skin, and nerves from within. 5. Guava, the vitamin C superstar. If collagen had a best friend, it would be vitamin C, and guava is one of the richest natural sources on the planet. Just 1 guava contains up to 4 times more vitamin C than an orange. This essential vitamin helps your body link amino acids to form strong collagen fibers that support your joints, muscles, and skin elasticity. Guava is also packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that shields your cells and nerves from damage caused by aging and stress. Seniors who eat guava regularly often notice improved skin texture, stronger muscles, and faster recovery from minor injuries. Eat 1 guava a day, either as a fresh snack or blended into smoothies. For extra collagen support, pair it with bone broth or gelatin. This combination helps your body absorb and use collagen more efficiently. It's nature's simplest collagen activator in one sweet, tangy fruit. 6. Kiwi, the collagen guardian. Small in size but mighty in nutritional power, kiwi is one of the most effective fruits for protecting and rebuilding collagen in the body. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E, copper, and powerful antioxidants, a combination that helps prevent the breakdown of collagen caused by stress, pollution, and aging. Vitamin C fuels collagen synthesis, while vitamin E shields skin and connective tissues from free radical damage. Research shows that people who regularly eat vitamin C-rich fruits like kiwi experience faster muscle recovery, stronger joints, and better skin elasticity. The copper in kiwi activates an enzyme called lysyl oxidase, which helps collagen and elastin fibers cross-link, giving your tissues the strength and flexibility they need to stay youthful and resilient. For best results, enjoy 1 kiwi in the morning or before bedtime. It's light, refreshing, and easy to digest. If your stomach is sensitive, pair it with yogurt, oats, or cottage cheese to balance its acidity. Over time, this small habit can help repair connective tissue, improve nerve signaling, and reduce that uncomfortable tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. A tiny fruit with a powerful impact on aging gracefully. 7. Lentils, the plant-based collagen supporter. Lentils might seem humble, but they're a powerhouse of plant-based nutrition that supports your body's natural collagen production. While they don't contain collagen themselves, they're packed with plant protein, iron, folate, and zinc, nutrients your body uses to synthesize and repair collagen. Zinc, in particular, plays a crucial role in nerve health, tissue repair, and muscle strength, all of which help reduce that feeling of leg weakness many seniors experience. Many older adults unknowingly consume less protein, leading to muscle loss and slower recovery, but just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides around 18 grams of high-quality protein, making them a fantastic vegetarian option for maintaining strength and energy. Their fiber content also supports digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, which improves blood circulation and nerve function. To boost their collagen-supporting power, cook lentils in bone broth for extra amino acids, or add a squeeze of lemon to enhance the absorption of iron and zinc. Enjoy them as a warm dal, creamy soup, or hearty salad, and you'll be fueling your body with everything it needs to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free naturally and deliciously. Collagen can't do its job without proper hydration. Water keeps your joints lubricated, your muscles flexible, and your skin smooth and firm. Without enough fluids, even the best collagen-rich foods won't work as effectively. So make it a habit to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, and include hydrating foods like cucumber, watermelon, and oranges in your meals. Simple daily activities such as stretching, walking, or light yoga can help stimulate collagen production, improve circulation, and keep your muscles and joints active. Even 15 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels more flexible, stronger, and less stiff. So there you have it, 7 natural collagen-rich foods that can help rebuild your strength and vitality from the inside out. Bone broth and gelatin for deep tissue repair. Fish for stronger joints and nerves. Cantaloupe, guava, and kiwi for vitamin C power. Lentils for steady, plant-based protein support. Remember, it's never too late to nourish your body and give it what it truly needs. Even small, consistent habits, a warm bowl of broth, a fresh cup of fruit, or a short daily walk can bring big changes in how you feel. Over time, you'll notice better balance, stronger muscles, and smoother movement. Stay hydrated, eat real food. Move a little every day and you'll be amazed at how much stronger and more vibrant life can feel after 60. If you found this message helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to spread the message of healthy aging. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay positive, and keep shining from the inside out.